Hey everyone, Daniel here with a quick tutorial for you today with how to add and remove Google Chrome extensions. Stick around. Okay, so when you're in Chrome, in order to access the extensions, you can click the little three dots that are up in the top right corner of the screen here. And go down to More Tools and over to Extensions. This will take you into the Extensions or Add-ons page of Google Chrome. Now you can see here that it comes with several different extensions by default, and with these here you can either view the details of them or remove them. If we click on this one, for example, to view its details, it tells you a description of what that add-on is, the version, how much space it's taking up on your computer, what permissions that it requires, which may be a security thing for you if you're concerned about the safety of that add-on or extension. I think that term can be used interchangeably a bit if it's an extension or an add-on, but with Google Chrome there's no add-ons here, they're actually called extensions. Now there's incognito mode. If you're not familiar with what that is, that allows you to use your browser with all the tracking turned off, so it doesn't keep the pages that you visit in your history. And you're still able to do some things, but add-ons are disabled, or extensions, there I go again, are all disabled, and this can be used for troubleshooting mode as well as just for some little bit of privacy. And the privacy with that is not to do with VPNs, but anyway, that goes outside the scope of this video. So you can visit the store where this comes from and see the source, and you can remove the extension from here as well, but we'll hit the little arrow up here in the top right to go back. There's also, you'll see that on the previous screen as well, there is a little toggle switch here where you can just temporarily turn it on and off without actually having to remove it. And if we go to remove this one, it confirms if you want to remove that, and once I confirm that, it is gone. Now if we want to add an extension, hit the three lines up here for the main menu for the extensions, and down at the bottom here you got Open Chrome Web Store, and this opens the Chrome Store where you can search for all the different extensions that you might want. So if I look for one, this is one that I've been using and talked about in another video for your YouTube channel, if you want to be able to track a lot of information about anybody's video, even to help improve your own videos. So we'll just hit Add to Chrome beside the one that you want, and it confirms what it is that this plugin or extension is capable of doing. So if you're fine with that, go ahead and hit Add Extension. It runs through checking, installing, and it happens pretty quick usually. And then you'll see when it is installed with this particular one, it shows the logo up there in the top right, and it confirms that it has been added to Chrome and how you can use that. So I'm just going to X out of that. Now if I head back over to my extensions tab, I'm just going to leave that other one open and just click anywhere over here to get rid of that thing. Now I can see this extension is now part of this. So if I was to do a search for vidIQ here, it narrows it down so it's only showing that extension. So if you had a lot of extensions in here and you're trying to find one in particular, you can just type it in and it'll take you right there. And so that's pretty much it for adding and removing extensions in Chrome. Other than the Chrome Web Store, you may have links to the extensions on the individual websites. So if you're looking at a particular product, they may be recommending that you use their extension for that to work within Google Chrome. So rather than sending you to the Chrome store and having to search for it yourself, they may provide you with a link directly there to go and add it in. And that's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified of future videos as they come out, especially for any streaming live casts that we'll be doing. Alright, thanks again. See you in the next video. Bye for now.